But I'm like, I'm just going to do what I can in the moment and take the opportunities that come. And it's, yeah, kind of, I've been feeling that way too, that I've had these opportunities come that are at my level that I can do, and just saying yes to those without thinking too far ahead or thinking, well, okay, that's good, but what I need is like up here. And it's like, no, that will come on its own. And like, I think just like a feeling of like, I'm okay and that I'm supported and I'm still putting my effort, but it's, yeah, it doesn't feel like a hustle or like a grind. It just feels like natural amount of effort that I should be putting, but I'm getting a lot. I don't want to say a lot in return, but a lot of like support from like God or whatever, or the universe, and helping me along, and just like even the ideas that have come to me and the timing of them, I'm like, oh, okay, cool. I'm gonna go with that, but I won't worry too much about the future. So it's like that feeling of like presence and being more aligned, like less thinking and more alignment. Yeah. And more acceptance, I think, too, of just myself.